My dear students, it is my 50th video and it is my half century. And ମୁଁ ଏଥିରେ ବହୁତ ଜାଣି ଖୁସି ଯେ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କର ଇନ୍ସପିରେସନ୍ ଯୋଗୁଁ ମୁଁ ଆଜି 50th ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଛି। ବହୁତ ଦିନ ଧରି ମୁଁ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ପାଠ ପଢ଼େଇଛି, ହୁଏତ ଭାବିଛି ଯିବା ଆଗରୁ ଏ ସଂସାରରୁ କେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ କାହାର ଡାକରା ପଡ଼ିବ ମୁଁ ତ ଜାଣିନି। ସେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋ ଭିତରେ ଭଗବାନ ଯେତିକି ଜ୍ଞାନ ଯେତିକି ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଦେଇଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ସମାଜ ପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ବାଣ୍ଟି ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ଯେ ତୁମେମାନେ ମୋ ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଦେଖିଛ, ଲାଇକ୍ କରିଛ ଏବଂ ବହୁତ ପିଲା ମଧ୍ୟ ଏହାକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଛ। थैंक्स टू ए लॉट। ले आज मु फास्ट 50th वीडियो मोर ये जो नामकरण विषय टी एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे प्लीजेंट विथ मैथ्स। पिलाने ए संसार समस्त प्राणी कहा पछरे दौड़छन, पर्टिकुलरली मो मनीष कथा कहते मनीष कहा पछरे दौड़ तुम कह सार किए पैसा पछरे दौड़ुची, किए धन पछरे दौड़ुची, किए आउ क्या पछरे दौड़ुचे से आम उत्तर दबा टे आगु भावा। गोटे छोट छुआटे खेलुची तो खेलना देखिले पछरे दौड़ुची। जिते यंग एज गोटे मेल फीमेल फीमेल मेल अट्राक्शन रोचे, आउ टे एज बढ़ीगले तार अट्राक्शन रोचे धन संपत्ति टंका पैसा। तमें देख पिलाने प्रत्येक समय मनुष्य गोटे किछि ना किछि पछरे दौड़ुची। जानिच ताकू तमें विभिन्न ना दे पार समय क्रम अवस्था चक्र से माने सब अलग अलग। केतबेले छुआ पई खेलना हो पारे तो केतबेले तार युव साथी किंबा युवती साथी हो पारे किंबा वार्धक्य वैवाहिक जीवन परे परे पैसा धनरत्न हो पारे। किंतु मन रख समस्ते गोटे जिनिस पछरे दौड़ से जिनसटा है आनंद। किए तुम कह जड़े गीत गाँची कहीं गाँची ना पैसा पाइबा कौन बाथरूम रे जड़े गीत गाँची से कौन पैसा पाइबा गाँची ना सी गोटे आनंद पछरे आनंद पाई गाँची। तेणु पृथ्वी समस्ते वास्तव टिके निरखेक देख पिला माने समस्ते आनंद पछरे ही गोड़ौचंती। हेले आपण कहीं नाटा एमती देले ना ए नाटा दबार उद्देश्य है आम मैथमेटिक्स को समस्ते प्राय भावुं ये गोटे बहुत कष्टकर काम, बहुत कष्टकर कथा। किंतु पिलाने जानी रख मैथमेटिक्स बहुत आनंद दिए, एते आनंद दिए यू कैंट इमेजिन। केमिति ना तुम जानी तल क्लास जो 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 बेलू प्रश्न कर दियो उत्तर मिलगले तुम केते खुशी हो। आउ जो अंकटा टिके डिफिकल्ट थिबो तुम करदेल आउ टिके खुशी। आउ जो अंकटा धर जो तुम भल क्लास रे भल पिला कर पारे तुम करदेल आउरी खुशी। यदि सार न कर पारे तुम करदेल ओ खुशी रो तो ठिकाना ही रहेनी। तेणु देख प्रत्येक मुहूर्त अंक आनंद ही आनंद दिए, आनंद भितर बुड़ेकी रखे। एपरिकी एमती केते जन मैथमेटिशियन अच्छा विषय में आज पदे पदे कहबी। ऑपरेशन टेबुल जो आनास्थेसिया दिगला सी कहले नहीं मत आनास्थेसिया दरकार नहीं, मोर 5 खंड अंक अच्छे कर तुम्हें मुझे अंक करने भितर तुम मत ऑपरेशन कर दियो। वाह तमाने से आनंद एत बुटिकी रही जाइए दुखटा को अनुभव ही कर पारे। तेणु दुख अनुभव न करने आनंद ही दरकार। आउ जड़े मैथमेटिशियन विषय कहबी एक्जाक्टली नाटा मोर मन पड़ने से हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोफेसर थे। सी एते मैथमेटिक्स रे पागल एते पागल विषय न कहीकि मुझे रही पारे। सब बेले स्त्री कौन करती पकेट गोटे आड्रेस दे था कारण से यूनिवर्सिटी फेरला बेले काले आड्रेस भूली जाए एवं से प्रयोग भी भूली जाए। तेणु से आड्रेस देखिकी प्रत्येक दिन फेरती। एमती कौन है गोटे घरे से रही रेंटेड हाउस से घरटा से चेंज कर दे आउ गोटे जगह को सेठी जाई रही आउ सेतବେଳେ भी ताको स्त्री कहचन देख तुम एड्रेस भूल जगह को फेर पळि जो अभ्यास बसत जदी एटा तुमर एड्रेस रहला एटा देखि कि घर को आसो हेटु तांकर फेरिबा समय हेची फेरिया समय घंटे 2 घंटा अतिक्रम कला परे तांकर स्त्री बहुत व्यस्त होइछन तांक कुनी झियो पठेइछन जा से पुराना जगह को बोधे बापा पळेइछन ना खोजी के आने से झियोटी जाइछे पुराना जगह पाखरे ठिया आइछे सेडु प्रोफेसर साहब आसिले आसिकी हाँ प्रोफेसर साहब कौन कहते बस रे आसिला बेले से जो चिरीगुटी खंडे तांका स्त्री देथिले ता पछपटे किसी अंक करछन तापर से अंकटा हेइछि कि ना हेइने सेटा सिए जानते एटा फुपाड़ दिछन बाहर तापर से एड्रेस भूल जाइछन देख पुराना जगह पहुंचन बहुत पचरे भी से पुराना जगह पहुंचन से पुराना जगह पहुंची कि सेठी से पचारछन तांका ना कहउछन जे एठी मिस्टर अंके थिले एबे कोठी घर चेंज करि जाइछन तुम जानछो कि एटू सेठी समस्त कहउछन हां हां से समय गोटे कुनी झियोटे आछि आसिकी तापर से कुनी से झियोटा को देखि कि से भी सही प्रश्न पचारछन एठी मिस्टर अंके रहउतिले से घर छाडी पळेछन तुम जानछो कि एटू से झियोटी कहउछि डैड कम विथ मी माने एपर्यंत से जानि पलेनी ए तांको झियो हम आनंद गोटे एमिति जिनिस पिला माने मन रख संसार सब कथा जन भूली जाए यदि आनंद पाए तेणु आशा करुच्ची मु करथिबा मैथमेटिक्स तुम मान को आनंद दो आ या नाटा एक मु प्लीजेंट मैथमेटिक्स रख कारण प्रत्येक अंक पछरे तुम टिके यदि हसी दबो ना मत बहुत भल लागे ओके take the screenshot of these problems generally these problems are in linear by quadratic or linear by quadratic root over there here I have given you perhaps 16 problems take the screenshot I will explain it one by one but all are similar if I will do 1 2 3 problems then you can do it by yourself okay now this is in this form linear by quadratic root over then what you have to do first separate them 9 minus x square plus dx if it is plus I am telling you if it is only quadratic means not in the form of ax square plus bx plus 3 it is just only x square and one constant you just separate them give it name as I1 and that is tell me which formula is there this is in place of 9 I can write it as 3 square and it is in the form of this dx by s square minus x square root over it is sine inverse what sine inverse x by 3 and in this place you just look what am I doing here what I am doing here what is the derivative of take it as y1 okay what is I1 it is x dx by 9 minus x square root over take t square is equal to 9 minus x square then 2t dt is equal to minus 2x dx so cancelling this it becomes t dt t dt is minus t dt in place of x dx I am writing t dt by what 9 minus x square root over that is t cancel it becomes minus t plus minus t means minus t means what 9 minus x square plus c now what is I am taking this as number 26 I am giving it name I now I is equal to what I is equal to I1 plus now I means my the original integration becomes what minus 9 minus x square root over plus I am not writing here see plus 3 sine inverse x by 3 dx okay now look at here there are 4 forms actually I have told you 2 actually 4 forms that are linear by quadratic root over 1 by quadratic root over it is 1 by quadratic root over then what we will do it is 5 minus x square minus 4x. First, you cannot take the root over. They cannot take the negative sign outside the root over. So first make it a complete square as minus. Leave a place here. Leave a place here. Do what? Take minus. It becomes x square plus 4x. Okay. Now there is one constant, that is what? 5. Suppose here it is 5. 5 minus x square plus 4x. Sorry. 5 minus x square plus 4x. For a complete square, what is required here? Tell me. It is x square plus 4x. I am writing what? 2 into x plus what will be there? 2 into x into 2. Then it is 4x. Okay. I am writing this 4x as 2 into x into 2 plus what? 2 square. 2 square is what? 4. Now look at my question. My question is x square. I am writing it again for your clear explanation. It is 5 minus x square plus 4x. Next step, what I am doing, I am taking a box here, minus, making it complete whole square, x square 2 into x into 2, plus you should put a 2 square, because the formula of a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab. If you will put 2, then it becomes 4x. Then you should put the square of 2 here. Then it becomes what? It becomes x plus 2 whole square. But look at here. It is x square plus 4x. Till now it is x square plus 4x. And you are adding 4 here. But really it is minus 4. What you will put here? So that it will become 5. It should be 9. Now look at 9 minus x square plus 4x minus 4. 9 minus 4, it becomes 5. Now what is that? It is 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square. Now the problem becomes dx by what? 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square dx. Now as dx is equal to derivative of x is similar with derivative of x plus 2. Why? The derivative of x plus 2 is dx plus d2. d2 is 0. Now it becomes, I am writing it here, d of x plus 2 divided by 3 square minus x plus 2 square root over. It is what? Now tell me. It is equal to d jitna a square minus utna square. A square minus utna square. कितना होगा? Formula, look at there the formula. Here. A square minus x square. A square minus. It is sine inverse x plus 2 by 3. Okay? Plus c. It is in the form linear by quadratic root over. In that case, you have to do linear is equal to, you should do like this. Linear is equal to alpha derivative of quadratic plus beta. Now here what is? It is linear is what? X plus 3. Derivative of quadratic is what? Derivative of this quadratic is minus 2x minus 4. This is derivative of quadratic, and what you will put so that it becomes x plus 3? It is 1 by minus 2. Now tell me, 1 by minus 2 into minus 2x, it is what? X. Then 1 by minus 2 into minus 4, it is what? It is 2. So it becomes 2. Remaining 1 is there. Now 1. First, mind it. Properly think what I am doing here. It is x plus 3. I am writing this first. It is x plus 3. Then derivative of this quadratic. It is what? It is 2 minus 2x minus 4. Then tell me what you should multiply here so that it becomes x. It is minus 2x. So that you have to multiply 1 by minus 2. It becomes x. Then if you will multiply 1 by minus 2 into minus 4, it becomes what? 2. And here it is 3. So plus 1 will be there. Now what is here? It is x plus 3 by 5 minus x square minus 4x whole root over is equal to 1 by minus 2 integration here 1 by minus 2 into minus 2x minus 4 by 5 minus x square minus 4x root over plus 1 by 5 minus x square minus 4x root over. Okay. Now integration, I am taking integration of this, multiplying dx. So here I am multiplying what? I am multiplying dx. And here I am multiplying what? Dx. And this is your part 1 of integration. And this is your part 2 integration. Now I will do it one by one. This is, I am taking it as I is equal to I1 plus I2. Suppose this is my equation 1. I am doing separately I1 and then I2. What is I1? Look at here. What is I1? It is I1 is minus 2x minus 4 by 5 minus x square minus 4x root over dx. So put here the derivative of denominator 5 minus x square minus 4x is minus 2x minus 4. So put t square is 5 minus x square minus 4x. So 2t dt becomes minus 2x minus 4 dx. Now look at, in place of minus 2x minus 4 dx, I am writing 2t dt by what? T. Cancel. It becomes 2 dt, that is 2t plus c. So suppose I am taking it 2t plus c1. 2. Don't write also c1 because finally I will write 1c. 2t, that is 2t means what? 5 minus x square minus 4x. This is your I1. Now tell me what is I2? I2 is what? 5 minus x square minus 4x, which you have already done from the previous problem. You have already done, and that is what I am also writing it again. What is I2? In previous problem I told it I2 integration dx by what? 5 minus x square minus 4x. At that time I write it as dx by what? 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square, and in place of dx I am writing at that time derivative of x plus 2, and its answer is what? Is sine inverse x plus 2 by 3. Sine inverse x plus 2 by 3. Now it is my what? I2, and it was my I1. I1 is 2 times this. I2 is sine inverse this. Now what is I? I is equal to I1 plus I2. In place of I1 I am writing 2 times 5 minus x square minus 4x plus, in place of I2 I am writing what? Sine inverse x by 2 plus 3 plus. Okay. Now I am going to solve number 29. Now it is linear by quadratic. Linear by quadratic, not the root over. And the quadratic is pure quadratic. That is, you can write this as 3x plus 4. I have told you the formula. What is that? L is equal to alpha derivative of quadratic plus beta. Okay, derivative of quadratic plus beta. What is alpha? What is linear? Linear is 3x plus 4. What is derivative of quadratic? Derivative of quadratic is what? 2x. What you will write there? 2x. It is 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4 is equal. Now 3x plus 4, it is linear. This is quadratic. Linear is equal to 3x plus 4. Derivative of quadratic is 2x because 4 derivative is 0. What you have to write? It is 3x. You have to equate with this 2x. So divide 2. Multiply what? 3. Now it becomes 3x. Just write 1 4. This is the very easiest way to solve. Now this 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 4, then 3 by 2, it is what? It is 2x plus 4, 2x by x square plus 4 plus 4 into 1 by x square plus 4. Now, right, I am taking integration. Multiplying dx, taking integration, multiplying with dx, taking integration, multiplying it with dx. Now tell me, what is this? This is this 3 by 2, I am writing it again. It is 3 by 2 integration. It is x square plus 4. Numerator is 2x. Now look at here. The derivative of denominator is numerator. Then there is no root over. It is clearly in the form of f dash x by fx. Means if you will put t, it becomes dt. That is in the form. It is just I am writing derivative of x square plus 4. What is that? Derivative of x square plus 4 is 2x by x square plus 4. Derivative of x square plus 4 is 2x dx plus 4. It is dx by x square plus 2 square. It is what? It is 3 by 2 and it is ln x square plus 4 and plus 4 into. What is x square plus a square? Its formula is 1 by 2 tan inverse what by what? X by 2 plus c. Okay? Now look at number 30. What I am doing here? It is dx by x square plus 6x plus 13. It is clearly 1 by quadratic form. It is very easy. First make it a complete square. That is x square plus 2. What is 6x? 2 into x into 3. It is 6x plus 3 square. Then it is x plus 3 square plus what is 13? It is 9. Then it is 4. So I am making two parts. First making quadratic, then rest what constants should be added. I am making two boards. For first x square plus 6x plus for whole square you have to put 9. Then for 13 you have to put 4. That is x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square. It is derivative of x plus 3. It is tan inverse d. It is in which form? D boxo. It is d box by box square plus a square. In first form, that is. The tan inverse 1 by a will be there. That is 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 3 by 2. Okay. Now look at here. It is in which form? Number 31. Number 31 is a linear by quadratic. It is in this form. Linear by quadratic. Then what you will do? For solution, what you have to do? You have to write linear is equal to alpha derivative of quadratic plus beta. And here linear is given to you and quadratic is given to you. What is linear? Linear is x plus 5. And what is derivative of quadratic? It is 2x plus 6. And what you have to multiply here for linear? You have to multiply 1 by 2. So that it becomes 1 by 2, 2x, that is x. 1 by 2 into 6. Tell me what is that? 1 by 2 into 6, that is 3. And here it is what? 5. So you have to put it here 2. Now x plus 5 by x square plus 6x plus 13. then it is what? 1 by 2, 2x plus 6 by x square plus 6x plus 13, and it is 2 into 1 by x square plus 6x plus 13. If you multiply dx here, it becomes what? 2x plus 6 dx, and it becomes dx. It becomes 1 by 2. What is it? It is linear by what? It is derivative. Derivative of x square plus 6x plus 13 is 2x plus 3. So I am writing a derivative of x square plus 6x plus 13 by x square plus 6x plus 13 integration plus 2. What is this? It is x square plus 6x plus 13 is what? Is x, make it a complete square so that it becomes x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square. X plus 3 whole square is x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 4. It is x square plus 6x plus 13. And dx is what? Derivative of what? X plus 3. Now it becomes what? It is 1 by 2. It is a derivative of anything by the own. Original function, that is a dt by t. It is ln t. T means x square plus 6x plus 13 plus 2, and it is what? Baxter square, derivative Baxter, and it is in this form. Top, it is 1 by a means 1 by 2. Tan inverse x by a means x plus 3 by 2. Take the constant. Write the constant. Okay, I am making one line here. You should not go beyond that line. Okay. Now look at here. It is x square plus 3. It is not in any form. In that case, if it is quadratic, then you should just divide each part. X square by x into x square minus 4 dx plus 3 dx by x into root over of x square minus 4. Now one x cancel here. It is dx by what? X square minus 4 root over plus 3 will come outside, dx by x into root over of x square minus 4. Now in this part, the derivative, denominator derivative is what? X square minus 4. Derivative of x square minus 4 is what? Is x. So put t square is equal to x square minus 4. So 2t dt is equal to 2x dx. Now it becomes 2 to cancel. So in place of x dx I am writing dt. In place of x square minus 4 root over I am writing t plus 3. But I am here there is a direct formula dx by x into x square minus 4. The formula is here. It is 1 by a. 1 by a means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 sec inverse x by 2. It becomes ln t plus 3 by 2 sec inverse. In place of t you will write x square. It is sec inverse x by 2. Sec inverse what? X by 2 plus c. Okay, number 32 is done. Now look at this problem number 33. It is x plus 1 by x square plus 2x minus 3. I am writing x plus 1 here and make it as a complete square. It becomes x plus 1 whole square. That is x square plus 2x. Okay, it is plus 1. Then you have to do with minus 4. Then it becomes x square plus 2x minus 3. So here in this formula what I will do, dx is same as derivative of x is same as derivative of x plus 1. It is x plus 1 root over x plus 1 square minus 2 square. It is in this form, b box by box into box square minus a square. It is 1 by a means 1 by 2 sec inverse box by a means x plus 1 by 2. Okay. It is a totally different style problem. Here it is quadratic, here one linear, one quadratic root over. Then you have to come with a very tactful way to this problem. Make everyone to x plus 1 form. Then the numerator is x plus 1 square plus 3. And the denominator is x plus 1. And it is x plus 1 square minus 4. Understand it or not? This is x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 4. Minus 4. So x square plus 2x minus 3. It is x plus 1. It is x plus 1 whole square. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus 3. Okay. Now here it is dx. Put t is equal to x plus 1. It becomes, or you can do it also directly, separating them, x plus 1 whole square by x plus 1 into root over of x plus 1 square minus 2 square dx plus 3 dx by x plus 1 into this, writing it again, plus 3 dx by, I am watching this, dx by x plus 1 into root over of x plus 1 square minus 2 square. In place of dx, can I not write derivative dx? Dx is same as derivative of x plus 1. Now look at here. If I will put x plus 1 is cancel. Okay, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1 cancel. So it is what? Put t square is equal to x plus 1 square minus 2 square. Then it becomes 2t dt is equal to 2x plus 1. Derivative of x plus 1 is what? If you cancel, it becomes what? T dt. X plus 1 dx is what? T dt by what? It is t square. It is t square. T square root over it is t. So it becomes only t plus. And this part, this is 3. D box by box square minus a square. It is 1 by a, 3 by 2. It is sec inverse x plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now you can put the value of t and get the answer. In dt integration is t, and in place of that integration you have to put the value. I am writing it here. The answer is here. In this part I am writing the answer. That is t plus 3 by 2 sec inverse x plus 1 by 2 plus c. In place of t, what you have to write? You have to write x plus 1 square minus 2 square. That is your question. This is x square plus 2x minus 3 plus 3 by 2 sec inverse x plus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. Next problems from number 35 to 42 I will do on my next video with the method of by parts. Okay.